I'm going to teach you how to shrink this window. So let's do it. Step 1, spray the window. Place the film on the outside of the window with the protective liner side facing out. Remember that you're going to leave a little bit of a gap at the bottom, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. The next step is to work your fingers to the bottom. Once that's done, you should have something that looks like this. All we have to do is shrink the film. When I start to shrink the film, I'm going to let the hot air get inside of the finger. The bottom of it's going to seal itself off, and then I'm going to use the heat gun to work up. You'll see it zigzag, and then I'll push it down with my hard card. Easy. The last step that I always do is pick up the bottom of the film with my hard card. That way I can seal the bottom edge and then shrink it. Barely peel the film, push the edges back down, and then shrink all of this. That is how I shrink my windows. Super easy, and it works, so give it a try.